Catherine Bernardo update. Sa post ng Ivy Clinic na magkasama sila Catherine Bernardo at Dominic Roque sa Ivy Clinic and Ivy Day nila para sa session nila.
Yes.
Pares pa nga silang nakaputi. Ito yung session ni Catherine. Yan, Ivy Action at Ivy Aerolace. Samantalang si Dominic Roque ay Ivy Shining Bright at Ivy Ice Facial.
We are done for today with our achievements. Bro, anong ginawa mo today?
Ivy Ice and
Shining Bright, you did Shining Bright.
And Aerolace.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you guys.
See you again.
Matagal na magkaibigan yan si Catherine at Dominic. Ito naman, mukhang may shoot si Catherine kasama ang kanyang team dyan sa kanyang studio. Ayan ang ganap ni Catherine. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Charlie Action Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.